Hello guys, I welcome you all in my new channel AJ Study Pivot. Today we're going to start with chapter 1. What is psychology? What is psychology? Scientific discipline which deals with processes underlying human experience and behavior. The range of phenomena levels: first individual, second dyadic two-person group, third organizational. They have biological as well as social basis. We can also identify psychology in another way. Psychology is defined formally as a science which studies mental processes, experiences, and behavior in different contexts. It uses method of biological and social science to obtain data systematically. You can also take screenshot of this. Now, first, what is mental process? Mental processes is when we think or try to solve a problem, to know or remember something. Mental processes are reflected in the brain activity. They are not same but interdependent. Unlike the brain, the mind does not have a physical structure or has a location. Now second is experiences. So, experiences are subjective in nature. We cannot directly observe or know someone else's experience. Only the experiencing person can be aware or be conscious of her or his experiences. Second, there are some esoteric experiences also. Third, thus the nature of experience can only be understood by analyzing, studying or a complex set of internal and external conditions. Now, third, behaviors. First, behavior are responses or reactions we make or activities we engage in. Behavior may be simple or complex, short or enduring. Some behaviors are overt, observable, which can be seen or sensed. Some are internal or covert, which cannot be observable. Third, psychologists study behavior as an association between stimulus and response, which can be internal and external. Now, psychology as a discipline. So, we need to know where the first laboratory of psychology was built. So, the first laboratory of psychology in 1879 in Leipzig, Germany by Wilhelm Wundt. It understands the human behavior and experiences and mental process. Here you can take screenshot of this. So we have two parallels. First and second is social and cultural sciences. First, psychology considers itself as a discipline which focuses largely on biological principles to explain human behavior. And the second one is psychology as a social science focuses on how behavioral phenomena can be explained in terms of the interaction that takes place between the person and the socio-cultural contexts. Psychology as a natural science. So, first, it understands psychology from a biological and technological perspective in natural science. Neuroscientists and computer science scientists often borrow help from psychologists. Psychologists use hypothetical deductive model. Descartes influenced psychology. Example, as for explaining Big Bang theory was much needed. Now, psychology as a social science. So, the study of behavior of human being in socio-cultural context. Second, humans are created by their socio-cultural environment. As we can see in our neighborhood and our social environment, focuses on humans and communities as social beings in relation to their socio-cultural and physical environment. Now, understanding mind and behavior. First, neuroscientists like Sperry and physicists like Penrose returned to term mind in psychology. It is true that mind cannot exist without brain, but mind is a separate entity. So we have some cases here. So we'll study about first case 1. Some patient whose occipital lobes are used in vision, were surgically removed, have been found to be responding correctly to location and configuration of visual cues. Case second is an athlete lost his arm in an accident, continued to feel his arm and its movement, which is phantom arm. Case 3. A young man with brain injury, after returning from hospital, claimed that his parents have been replaced by duplicates. So, mind and behavior are related. Positive visualization, feeling positive, mental imaginary, which was used by Ornish in his number of studies. Activities of mind captured through fMRI. So the full form of fMRI is functional magnetic resonance imaging, and second one is EEG, electroencephalogram. A new discipline, study or knowledge. So the discipline means study or knowledge. A new discipline called psychoneuroimmunology has emerged, which emphasizes the role played by the mind in strengthening the immune system. It is used to strengthen in immune system. So we have popular notions about the discipline of psychology. So push people to make them perform better. When the people are lazy, so we have to push people to make them perform better. Commonsensical explanation of human behavior are based on hindsight. So the human behavior are based on hindsight. So we have an example here. If a friend goes away, so two different we have. So first is out of sight, out of mind, when you find a new friend. And second one is distance make heart grow fonder, unable to find friend. So first one is when we get a new friend, so we forget about the our friend, and we if we don't get a friend, we remember them. So psychology as a science looks for patterns of behavior which can be predicted and not explained after the behavior occurs. Study performed by Dweck. So a study was performed by Dweck in 1975 on children who gave up too easily. Objective was to increase their confidence. So a group A and group B were divided. A group A, which was easy problems able to solve. So group A children were able to solve easy problems, and group B easy plus difficult. They were given both easy as well as difficult, which they were able to solve only easy problems. They were trained for 25 days to solve maths problem. Group A and group B. So new set of questions, both easy and difficult. A question set was prepared which included easy as well as difficult questions. So group A gave up early when could not solve difficult problem. As you can see in before that easy problems, they were able to only solve easy problems, and they were trained for 25 days only for easy problems. Group B kept trying to solve the problems because they were also given difficult problems, so they kept tried to solve the problems. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment how you feel about this. Thank you.